तर मित्रांनो पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. आपण बघत आहे क्लास 10 सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2 चॅप्टर लाईफ प्रोसेसेस इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्स पार्ट 1 या चॅप्टरवरील आपण एक क्विज बघत आहे. तर प्रत्येक क्विज मी वाचून दाखवीन, त्याच्यानंतर आपण एक 8 सेकंद मी थांबीन किंवा पॉज घेईन आणि तोपर्यंत आपण करेक्ट आन्सरचा विचार करू शकता. त्याच्यानंतर मी करेक्ट आन्सर सांगणार आहे, त्याच्यासोबत ते आन्सर आपण चेक करू शकता. तर जर आपल्याला नको असेल तर आपण व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ करून सुद्धा हा व्हिडिओ बघू शकता. तर आपण क्विजला सुरुवात करू मित्रांनो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following molecules is primarily harvested by mitochondria to produce energy in each cell? Correct answer, carbohydrates. They are the main source of energy that is converted through cellular respiration within mitochondria. Next question, how much energy is typically obtained per gram of carbohydrate consumed? Correct answer, 4 kilocalorie. Oxidation of 1 gram of carbohydrate in our body produces 4 kilocalorie of energy. In cellular respiration, which process occurs specifically within the cytoplasm rather than the mitochondria? Correct answer is glycolysis. This is the initial step of glucose oxidation that takes place in the cell's fluid-filled interior. Which molecule is referred to as the energy currency of the cell? Correct answer, ATP. This molecule stores energy in its phosphate bonds and is used by the cell whenever energy is required. What is the net gain of ATP molecules obtained from each FADH2 molecule during the electron transfer chain reaction? Correct answer, 2. Which vitamin is essential for the production of coenzyme FADH2? Correct answer, riboflavin or vitamin B2. During which phase of mitosis do the chromosomes become clearly visible and arrange them parallel to the equatorial plane? Correct answer, D, metaphase. What is the primary function of meiosis in living organisms? Correct answer, gamete production. Proteins of animal origin are referred to by which specific classification? Correct answer, first class proteins. In the absence of sufficient carbohydrates, which components are converted into fatty acids to be used for energy production? Correct answer, lipids. When carbohydrates are low in our body, the lipids are broken down into their constituent fatty acids and then into acetyl coenzyme A. Which enzyme found in plant chloroplast is noted as the most abundant protein found in nature? Rubisco. What is the result of the process called gluconeogenesis? Neogenesis mentioned in the text? Correct answer, conversion of excess proteins into glucose. This metabolic pathway allows the body to create necessary sugars from non-carbohydrate sources like amino acids. Approximately what percentage of human blood plasma contains water? Correct answer, 90%. Which vitamin are classified as fat soluble? Correct answer, vitamin A, D, E, and K. What occurs during crossing over process in meiosis 1? Correct answer, genetic recombination between homologous chromosomes. Which specific protein is found in human bones? Correct answer, osine. What is the primary difference in cytokinesis between animal cells and plant cells? Correct answer, A. Excess lipids in the body are stored in which specific tissue? Correct answer, adipose connective tissue. Which of the following molecules is not a direct product of glycolysis process? Correct answer, CO2. During exercise, muscle cells may perform which type of respiration if oxygen levels are depleted? Correct answer, anaerobic respiration. This results in the accumulation of lactic acid. What is the result of separation of sister chromatids during anaphase? Correct answer, daughter chromosomes are formed. Once separated, each individual chromatid is considered a chromosome for the new daughter cell. How many atoms of hydrogen are present in the single molecule of glucose? That is C6H12O6. Correct answer, 12. Which of the following is considered an essential nutrient that makes up about 65 to 70% of our body? Correct answer, water. What happens to the number of chromosomes in a cell during meiosis 2? Correct answer, it remains haploid. Since the reduction already happened in the first stage, that is meiosis 1, the second stage simply separates chromatids while maintaining the haploid state. Excess carbohydrates are stored in liver and muscles in which form? Correct answer, glycogen. Which component of the respiratory system is the site where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged with the blood? Correct answer, alveoli in lungs. These tiny sacs are the functional unit where the exchange of gases between air and blood occurs. What is the function of fibers in human diet despite being indigestible? Correct answer, aiding in digestion of other substances and egestion. In the tricarboxylic acid cycle, which molecule enters the cycle to be completely oxidized? Correct answer, acetyl coenzyme A. This two carbon molecule is the entry point for the Krebs cycle after the initial breakdown of sugars, fats or proteins. तर आपण इथे ही क्विज संपवत आहोत मित्रांनो. जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असल्यास लाईक करा, शेअर करा. थँक्यू फॉर द टाइम बिंग.